Recently, this channel of mine got demonetized for these 5 mistakes. And if you are seriously passionate to earn from YouTube, then watch this carefully, because YouTube is actively demonetizing these kind of channel. So let's begin. First thing first, I started this channel in February 2022 with name of AKP Facts and got monetization when YouTube had started its monetization policy for shorts. And to be honest, I took this channel as fun and did the first big mistake. Yeah, I used to upload someone else's content as Sigma Male Edit and got millions of views at that time. I almost got 10k subscribers for only one video. But on other hand, I knew whether this channel would be terminated due to copyright strike or something. Or probably YouTube wouldn't take me in their partner program for reusing someone else's content. But nothing happened. Rather, YouTube happily accepted this channel in their monetization program at that time. Then suddenly I got an idea. See, I thought this channel is monetized now. Then why not I make my own content now and I would delete the other contents later so that YouTube won't ever demonetize my channel. Innovative, right? But it was my second mistake. I was so wrong about my audience. See, my audience was fond of Sigma Male Edit, right? They don't like to watch fact videos that I started to upload with my own voice. So the result came instantly. In my highly active channel, that was gaining millions of shorts views, I got only few thousands views on my first voiceover fact video. But I didn't get the actual problem with my channel at that time, so I had continued to upload one fact video per day. And because of views were down, YouTube was not paying me at least $2. Therefore, I was getting demotivated day by day and took a short break from YouTube. See, I had fear of getting copyright strike in multiple videos in my mind, so I could not continue to upload the Sigma Male Edit, nor keep them in my channel. So I deleted all the Sigma Male Edit for what my channel was monetized, and it was proven as my third mistake. I suddenly noticed a falling graph in my channel analytics, and I was literally getting 0 views in few of my shorts. The reason is very simple. YouTube was pushing my videos to those who subscribed me for watching Sigma Male Edit, but when they got educational short, they simply swiped up. And in this way, I gathered so many inactive subscribers in my channel. For that reason, YouTube made my channel dead. But the good thing was all these things didn't affect on my monetization. It was on, so I moved towards long-form content. Actually, I got to know the CPM of long video is far more higher than shorts. Therefore, I thought if I now upload long videos and get lower views, then it doesn't matter. Because at the end of the day, we are here to earn money, right? So I choose to niche where of giving sport news. I used to create voice from text to speech website and collect images from social media and upload them as a news format. And one day I saw I got 10,000 views on of my videos. And when I checked out the earning of the video, it was almost 10x higher than my regular shorts. So I continued it, which was my biggest mistake to cancel my monetization. Actually, YouTube doesn't recognize these contents as original. So if you create this type of video where you just give zoom in and zoom out effect to images and give AI generated voice in background, then you should rethink about your way. Anyway, let's move towards my final mistake for what my channel is not able to earn anymore. Actually, at this point, I knew whatever I do with my channel, it will pay nothing because I have wrong audience, copyrighted content, and so on in my channel that does not follow YouTube's monetization policy. So today or tomorrow, YouTube will remove this channel from their partner program. So I put the last nail in my channel's coffin. Yeah, I uploaded whatever I saw on Reels or anywhere. And the science experiment Reels were really paying me, but for few days. One day suddenly, I checked my YouTube creator app, and I saw the earnings section is gone. Then I saw mail and all these things, and realized my channel has been demonetized. Now, this is the conclusion part of this video. I know many of my viewers have left, but if you are still watching, then I have a bonus tip for you. See, I know many small YouTubers are doing similar mistake like me. I suggest you open a new channel as early as possible, because some wise men say, there are no replacement of hard work. And if you apply shortcuts, then probably YouTube is not for you. You see, when I got demonetized, I am not sad. Instead, I am making a video on my mistake. So convert your weakness into your strength. By the way, I'm not a motivational speaker. I teach crazy AI tutorials. If you are interested to learn how different AI tools can help you in your YouTube journey, then subscribe this channel. Like this video if it is helpful and leave a comment. Bye bye.